Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Lava Phone if forgot password. So you can see enter pin, and you can see wrong pin, try again. As you can see wrong pin, try again. Okay, to unlock your Lava Phone, first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press the power and volume up button together for few seconds, and when the lava logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see, as you can see, this is the boot mode of the lava phone. As you can see, volume up to select and volume down to okay. So now use volume up to select. So here you can see recovery. As you can see recovery, and now simply press volume down key to OK. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here in Android recovery mode, go to wipe data factory reset. As you can see, wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see guys, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All stored data on this device will be deleted. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock your Lava phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.